Hey, everybody. So I wanted to give you an idea of what you need to do today in my absence. What I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to ask you to get going on the mechanical engineering project called Mousetrap cars, and you're going to look to complete artifacts 1 and 2 today. So in order to complete artifact 1 and 2, let's have a look at the rubric so you know what you're doing here. The rubric on this, you're going to be working on the investigation and the planning stages here. So it's these guys here. So you're going to have to be creating a works cited just like every other artifact one. And as you can see, it'll tell you exactly what you need to do. To get a 4, you're going to have to go out beyond the videos, find something else that works for you. Now, this could be a website that explains how to build an excellent car, how to design 3D wheels, alternate materials that you could use, sneaky tricks that you can use to increase the mechanical advantage, really anything that helps you. And you're going to have to provide annotations. And what that is that on the on the my bib page, that allows you to explain to the reader of the bibliography or the works cited. It allows you to explain to the reader, hey, this is what this source was and this is how I used it. So if you can find that extra source and then you can explain how all of the sources help you in your planning process, you're going to be getting a 4. Next thing is an orthographic projection drawing of the car that you're going to choose. Now, please, 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 before you just start sitting down and designing cars that are a product of your mind and brain, make sure that you're using your research to inform the design of the car. Are you going to be building a 4-wheel car, a 3-wheel car? Heck, I've even seen 2-wheel cars. That's a little complicated. Are you going to be incorporating 3D printing? Are you going to be incorporating DVD wheels? Are you going to be using alternate materials, or are you going to stick to what I have in the brown bin? So be really thinking about those things. Have a look at the materials that I offer you in the brown bin. Have a look at the options that exist on, say, Thingiverse, or whether or not you want to print them online, and then begin your orthographic projection drawing. Obviously, as you can see right here, you're going to want to have a top, side, and front view. And in order to get a 4, everything's going to have to stick to that scale factor. Okay, now, as we go through there, you're going to post, of course, all of these things right in here. This is where you're going to do your works cited, and this is your evidence of planning. And again, if you need to, you can go back, you can go back over here and watch this, how to complete artifact 1 if you need a reminder. It's right there for you. If you get through those things and you're going to be using the 3D printers, this is where I want you to drop your STL files, if you know what I'm talking about, in here so that I can make those prints, and off you go. Remember, these 3 videos must be watched. You're going to be having to talk about Newton's laws in your evaluation, and these 2 videos here are really going to help you in thinking about what your car is going to look like. When I come back, you're going to need to definitely have finished your first artifact, artifact 1, and have started artifact 2. If you're able to complete it, great. You're going to be ready to build when I come back. Thank you, and I hope everything goes successfully for you today.